How to download SafePal on your phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can download the SafePal on your mobile phone. So let's go. The first step is to open your mobile device, then head over to your Play Store and launch the application. So after launching the application, you'll be brought to the home page. On this page, move to the top part of the screen where you can see your search box and then type out SafePal. Alright, and click on the search icon by the bottom right corner. So once you can see it, just go ahead and click on it and you'll be brought to the page. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to click on install, and then you wait for it to be installed, and it might take a while depending on your internet connection, but just wait for it to be fully installed. All right, and it will be downloaded and installed on your mobile phone. Once it is done downloading, you can see that the two buttons below the name of the application will change to uninstall and then open. So you can just go ahead and open up the app and you're good to go. So this is how you can download SafePal on your phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.